Yeah. Yeah, I'm about to send him his account. Caleb, send me your PayPal.
All right, he sent it to my PayPal, so.
Yeah, I know. I said send me yours.
Oh, okay. So you're sending 1,000, I got 1,000 from him.
Yep. So if he doesn't show or he doesn't, whatever those tips were, or if I don't show or break or whatever, you know, $1,000.
There is no rule.
What do you mean?
The rules are heads up to the eighth, off a light, I'm driving. That's it.
That's it.
All right, we're locked in. Tuesday night.
Well, I just looked at the weather. I hope you know it's going to rain Tuesday night.
No, we already checked this out.
Monday, Tuesday. I'm down for whatever.
Ready or what?
Oh, it's a Tuesday night for us. I'm gonna let it get some heat in the motor. The baddest Durango ever built.
That shit's not good as hell.
That's our custom cam. That's crazy.
It's not good as hell, bro. What do we got back here?
Nothing crazy.
Hey, this is yours right here, right? Yeah, that's me. What's that for?
Meth.
Oh, okay.
Race truck.
So gutted the way it is. It weighs how much?
5250 with me in it.
5250. Yeah, so with the full interior, what does it weigh?
Like 5,400
Damn.
pounds. It's heavy.
This is heavier than a Trackhawk, right?
Yeah. Oh, fuck. I forgot I left the front seat in it. Fuck it. How much fuel can it out? Okay? Yeah, like 3/4 tank.
This is a dip right here.
Hey, where are we gonna go? Wait for the race. I'm ready.
All right, go.
Who's ready up first? Who's taking lane?
that's what you're gonna flip for. Figure out the money.
So let's flip for that stuff right now.
All she's gonna do. You want to go in first?
Huh?
You want to go in first?
So you give me left lane.
No, we flip it for lanes. You already made a test hit.
So then we'll flip for everything.
Yeah.
All right.
What, you want to flip for who
We're flipping for everything.
I
If
don't-
you're not gonna give me some, I'm not giving you some.
I'm not building boost until you start building boost.
I mean, get a different tuner. I don't know what to tell you.
It's not about the tuner.
So what's the problem?
I'm just asking you. I'm trying to be courteous to you.
So basically, it's gonna go like this. We're gonna flip to see who readies up first and who gets lane. All right, and then you figure out how many seconds you have after you ready up. Whoever gets second.
No.
How do you race in Detroit then?
Really, whatever. So if you just sit there, I'll just sit there. I'm gonna go in after you.
So what do you think? You're gonna have your boy run down the middle and jump back and hit the light like it's the fucking
You don't have
pad?
to go. If I,
No, bro, we're going off a light. There's no chases.
Yeah,
It's raised.
yeah,
There's none of that
yeah.
wild shit. Like,
yeah,
all right.
it's not chase you race.
If you jump before the light, you lose.
Correct.
If you cross and affects the race, you lose.
Correct.
So what's the problem? Let's flip.
Yeah, for lane. And then I'm asking you because
I said no already.
I can't sit on the chip. Then I'll sit there until you do something.
We have to figure out who readies first. by
I'll
flipping.
sit there.
I don't think you understand the concept. Okay?
Yes, I do.
So
I don't take forever to build boost.
So then if you have second ready up, you can just sit there till I ready up.
That's what I'm saying. You can go first.
I don't want to go first. I want to go second.
Just flip for it, bro.
Yeah, you gotta
Give me the left lane then.
I
for that.
can't.
Well, then give me the left lane and I'll give you your
I
ready
can't
up.
do the left lane. You already made a test hit.
So, bro, then we are flipping for both things.
There's no.
You're not
I'm gonna sit
conceding.
there. I'm gonna
Wait,
sit
I don't know what that means.
The whole thing is about making a test it?
No.
I don't
I can only
understand-
be on the chip for 5 seconds.
Okay.
Okay. He thinks it's a tuner issue. I'm using my factory launch control.
What in the actual fuck?
So I'm letting him build boost first. As soon as he starts building boost, I am too. But I'm not going to go first because he could sit there for 5 seconds and then my truck goes into limp mode.
It's up to you. I don't even understand. You didn't say that when we were locking in the money, so that's not a step.
What do you mean?
You didn't say that you needed a fucking Haley's comment to get ready to race.
I don't. Start building boost and I will.
Bro, I'm like confused here.
I know you
when,
are.
When we race and you street race, right? You flip for whoever readies up first. That means whoever flashes lights first, right? So like you're asking for something,
Yeah,
right?
I know that's
So
your
then
hometown.
if
You're
you're
my hometown,
asking
though.
if you're asking
has
for
anybody
something,
ever heard that? Has anybody ever heard building who goes? They flip for going in first.
No, it don't matter.
So this is my hometown. We don't do that. I'll sit there.
bro, you steps are decided before the race.
first?
I'm just
Bro,
saying.
if
I'll
you
sit
want to
there.
sit there, then you can sit in the right lane, and I'll let
No,
you do
we flip it
whatever.
for lanes.
Bro, check this out. I don't understand the disconnect here. It's like you're
There's
scared
no
to race or
disconnect.
something. Like,
I'm
I don't
telling you,
understand.
as soon as you
flip
start
for,
building boost,
you flip for stage, and
well, I'm not going to let you burn me down and go into limbo. That's what I'm saying. So I'm giving you the courtesy to build boost first, and I'll start building it right away.
Stop making stipulations.
this is crazy. I don't know why are we making steps.
That's not a step.
This is a whole rule that's getting added in right here at the line.
I mean,
Why would
have
you do that?
Listen,
That means we got to get back to this rain.
On the block. Pull up.
Whatever you need, I get it.
I want to race. Okay.
I know.
I don't want.
My
you,
trucks don't have all these problems, so
Okay.
I'm like surprised.
That's because you got an MSD 2-step and stuff. I don't want this shit in my truck. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So what I'm saying is I'm not going to leave you on the fucking train. I'm not a fucking piece of shit. Right? I want to make some good passes. I don't want to go into limbo. I want to freight train you how it's supposed to be done.
All right. However you need it.
So all I'm saying is flip for lanes. That's it.
If I'm gonna give you something though, you gotta give me lane.
No, you already made a test hit.
It doesn't matter. The surface is the same in both lanes. But if by rule, if I'm giving you something, you gotta
There
give
ain't
me
no
something.
rules in grudge racing.
Bro, you
There ain't no
just
rule.
implemented a rule.
No, I didn't implement nothing. I said I'll sit there then. I'll sit there for 30 minutes.
Yeah, but there's a 5-second rule after you ready up to go.
Right. I'm gonna do it.
Bro, whatever you need. Whatever. Okay, let's flip.
You got a quarter?
No.
I'll let you call it because you see it from farther away.
Hey, you got a quarter?
I got one.
Nobody got a quarter?
No.
Let me go get a quarter.
Digital.
Let me make sure it's not double.
I think I got a quarter. Here's a fucking quarter, buddy. Yeah. Here, Jay.
What, tails not for Phil?
You want to flip it?
No, you got it.
You can call it.
Call tails.
All right.
Which one?
Tails.
Heads. I'll take left lane.
Okay.
All right. How much?
What do you guys want to bet?
$1 million.
Shut up.
No, I'm kidding.
We can do whatever.
All right. Pull over. Figure it out. Let's get this pot together.
What, like 3, 4, 5,000?
Figure it out.
5, 6, 8, 10,000. It's my birthday.
Just pull over. We ain't doing nothing. God damn it. This guy's blocking the road.
Just park.
Chilling.
Well, we're not gonna figure it out right here. We gotta get back.
Hold on.
Let's hold this.
Mark. I gotta give him 15.
Mark. How much you need?
So it's 1,000. So I need 2 more from
What are
you.
we doing? 4?
Both sides or just one?
Dougie, what do you got?
Duke, over here, bro. Let Lance see
Dougie. Dougie. You gave me 5, right? Yep. I got 12. It's between me and number mine. Look, I'm gonna put 5 up together. Right? I'll give you the one.
Okay.
So that way it's there. Hold on, what's that? I just gotta make sure I put them in. That's it? 4? Any more?
No, we would have brought more if you locked in more. 2,000.
You want me to put 500 in for you? I'm saying I'm putting it in for you. You want it in or no? Yeah, but they ain't even trying to bet like that. No. All right, I put 500 in for you. All right, peace. I got fucking 84. That's 1200. Hold on.
What's the gauge at? Okay.
On back of the trunk. Like, where y'all from?
Like nationality?
No. Like, where did you guys drive from? Physically?
Oh, no, I'm from here. He's
Oh,
from,
you're from here.
Yeah, I'm from here. He's from Maryland.
Where y'all from? Baltimore. Yeah, let me slide. Unless Jay will do it.
So far, it's 4 side. I guess there's more. We'll put back up there.
Yeah.
Hey, who gave me what now?
Because initially, like,
You
that
gave
two
me
side.
1,000. Yeah.
2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 12, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Who gave me? You gave me 500?
Give me 5.
You sure?
I gave you $200 bills. 15 points. Here. There's on my phone. 200 to it.
What did you give me?
Me?
Yeah.
200s and 1520s.
All right, so that's 3. So that's 4 aside.
So you got 4 on your side?
No,
I mean, we can
I
get
got
more
3.
if you guys can bring it out.
You got 1,000 for the lock-in.
Yeah. Okay, okay.
That's 3 right there.
So that, you trying to get in too?
Give me 100.
Yeah, we're trying to put more locations.
Give me 100.
Some more.
No, we good. We good. Try to get unless they wanted more.
Okay. So this is 3?
Yeah.
Or this is 2?
That's 3.
This is 3?
1,000 plus 1,000 lock-in.
He just counted it with me.
Here, I'm sorry.
All right. VR, where's it at?
Here, excuse me.
This is 22.
Do you need to flash your lights? Where you at, Z? You need to flash your lights or just?
I'm gonna point at you first. You flash when you're ready.
No, fuck all that pointing shit. Man, do it. Flash your lights. I'll flash mine and pump it.
This is 600. So this is 28.
Look at you. Flash me. Look at me. Flash me.
28.
Right?
Go.
3,000.
So we good.
We're good.
Come on, that's
So we
4
got
on my
3.
side.
Yeah. So 4 in total, and then we're gonna get the rest when we go back up there.
Let's do some more.
I know, right?
Oh, I'm pretty sure they can put more in when we go back up there.
Dude, we're about to do it right now. The cops are hot, boy.
Find out. Yeah, find out. Let's do it right now.
Hey,
We got a lot we want.
we need someone to go to 8.
Yeah, right now would be the best time to do it right now. Yeah. I mean, me and Z, we're going to put another...
Flash your light when we're doing the burnout.
You ready? it back? I want my money. Good?
Yeah, fuck it, pay him.
We gonna run it back though tonight?
I want my money first.
She's about to pay. You was coming in on my lane though.
Did I come in your lane?
No,
Did
you,
I come
no,
in?
you didn't.
Thank
That's
you.
why I'm paying.
Thank you.
Jay, come here. Give me 1,000. Should be 2.
Tell me. I'm the only nigga in this bitch.
What's the street that y'all said that we was gonna go to?
There's a few. You can go Northline.
I've been in Africa.
You know what? Fuck it. We putting the stacks on this car.
What up? Who we getting tonight?
Damn, y'all racing is cold. I got a Mustang.
You know what it is.
Want to get down with the Mustang?
Put the whole thing in the
After we
house.
run it back with the Jeep right up.
I got locked up in the gun.
You seen Blake today?
Yeah, there.
I got
What's running back?
He got
The Durango?
Yeah.
In the Durango?
Yep.
Hey.
South?
No,
I'm kidding.
Christmas around the corner.
Yeah, they got, I thought they got that big, let us get the hit this go around. Come chase us down. 'Cause you got some space put on your
Let's
ass. and You
finish
ain't
this
catch
race.
shit.
Let's go out and what's that road
Where?
that your boys are saying?
Well, where you need to go tonight?
Let's go to
I'll go
another
hit the
road.
bank. How much more money we gotta get? Jay?
Christmas is about to be
Wanna
Jay,
do
Christmas.
$2,000
Shit,
race?
I gotta go to the cheese shop on Friday.
Don't let
Hey, I gotta pay
$2,000
you
race.
Jones on Friday. How much more money you got to give out tonight?
Yeah, Northline's right around the block.
Yeah, you can get your ass touched up east to west tonight. Where you want to get touched at?
We'll go to
Motherfucker,
Northline.
you was talking crazy on the internet.
So let's finish it. Let's go.
Huh?
Let's go. Let's
Jay,
go
what's
to
up?
Northline. Get your boy.
Shit, get nothing.
Nope. My motor will be done Friday.
There we go. How about lock in for some big ass money?
No, shut up.
Yeah,
You guys
lock in
don't
for
even
some
want
big
to
ass
run it
money.
back tonight.
No, I don't.
You
That's
you
because
want-
you
you
don't
couldn't even
want-
come up with a bigger bet for
I
tonight.
want you
Big
to
mouth,
understand. I'm just
big
saying,
mouth,
I came up here to
big
race the
mouth,
Jeep.
big
The
mouth.
fucking cops came and put me on dirty
Man,
road.
fuck
I
them
ran your race.
police.
You got paid.
I was racing on the
Let's
same
run it
road.
back.
We
You got
flipped
the
the
lane.
lane. I raced
Okay,
you on the
and
same
I
road.
get-
Here
and
we
I
go.
paid
Hey,
the
hey,
police.
hey,
Back
hey,
on the
hey,
lane.
hey.
I'm saying I'm here.
Right.
The Jeep is
Nobody
not.
hit
Let's
the brakes. Everybody
let's run
made
it back.
No. Thank you.
You know you don't have enough for another run or something? What's the problem?
That's a stock motor. My motor will be done Friday.
That's a stock motor too.
Yeah, okay.
Yo, I came all the way up here and you're scared to run it back
No,
on
I'm
a
not
different
scared.
road?
I did exactly what I did.
If you get in your car and
I got
you
what I
drive away
wanted.
right now,
I got
you're
that gap and I got
Who cares
paid.
about the money?
I do. Hey, and I
get
care
it.
about that
You-
W.
I-
See
yo,
you
but you don't even run
that
a
W, boy.
Boy,
That truck got beat by a stock truck.
I'm here in your
Stock motor
city.
truck, nigga.
I'm up here in your city saying let's run it back and y'all won't. Y'all know what y'all did. I'm not worried.
I got some of his
That's
money.
a G. That is
That motherfucker could never spell. Hey, Jay can't spell, but the boy can tune, James. You spell real good on the internet, though. I don't give a fuck about none of that shit.
What'd that say?
Big Trackhawk.
Hey, that ride back to Maryland's gonna be longest. Shit, you gonna be waiting till spring, my boy. You gonna wear that ass whooping all winter. we gonna be making fun of you all winter, James.
We're all getting blocked.
Hey, James.
We're all getting
Hey,
blocked.
James. Listen up. We making fun of you all fucking winter.
Bro, leave that man the fuck alone. God.
I'm not gonna stop. If he keeps talking to us, I'm gonna tear him up with words.
Leave him the fuck alone.
Fuck no, I'm not. That motherfucker was talking so crazy. His ass just got dragged down through the east side. Hey, you got welcome to the east side real good, James. The east side, ain't it? Hey, JP, you should have spelled out stock motor across the hood. Fuck everything else.
Motor. That bitch got a built motor, built everything.